Welcome to ATS. In case you didn't know, we are officially on the hunt for the holy grail of automated trading strategies.
We are.
Today we're looking at a bit of a resurrection project from our own archives. Strategy number 4, enhanced.
Good to be back. And before we get into it, the standard disclaimer applies. This is all educational content.
Right.
Past performance guarantees, well, nothing. And all trading involves risk, so please, never trade with money you can't afford to lose.
All right, let's get into the mechanics. So strategy number 4. This thing has been sitting on the shelf for, what, 5 years? Why dust it off now?
We were auditing some old scripts and realized this one had a, let's call it a fatal flaw in its original logic. The code was firing long and short signals on the exact same tick conditions.
So instant hedging, that's not a strategy, that's just a donation machine for your broker.
Pretty much. You're paying double the spread just to be flat.
It was hedging itself into oblivion.
Exactly. So the first step was just, technical triage.
Okay.
We fixed the entry logic so it wouldn't bet against itself.
Okay, so what's the core engine here?
It's built on two classics, MACD and ADX.
Tried and true. So MACD is sort of setting your compass direction, and ABX is the gas pedal measuring if the trend is strong enough to even bother.
That's the logic. We deployed the fixed version on NQ, the NASDAQ, using 19-minute bars.
19 minutes. That's an odd choice. Usually you see 15 or 30, something to align with the hour. Why the irregular time frame?
It just breaks the algorithmic rhythm of the main hourly candles. It helps filter out some of that top of the hour noise.
I see.
Now, after fixing that bug, the initial results were, they were fine. We got a profit factor of 1.70 and a win rate around 42%.
So 1.70 pays the bills, but a 42% win rate means you're taking a lot of paper cuts to get there. It's profitable, but messy.
And that is exactly where the standard template comes in. We've talked about this before. It's our risk management architecture. But here we used it as more of a diagnostic tool.
Okay, like an elimination diet. The strategy was sick, and you started cutting out ingredients to see what was wrong.
Precisely. We looked at the performance breakdown, and we realized the toxic ingredient was the short side. The strategy was trying to short the NQ using symmetrical logic, treating the downside the same as the upside.
But hold on, isn't disabling shorts just curve fitting? I mean, we've been in a bull run. Of course, longs work better. Aren't we just optimizing for history?
That's the common criticism, yeah. But you have to look at the instrument itself. Equity indices, like the NQ, have a structural long-term upward drift.
They're designed to go up.
Right. So by forcing the strategy to be bidirectional, we were actually fighting that natural gravity. So we toggled allow shorts to false mark, and we tightened the ADX threshold just a bit, from 30 down to 25.
So you turned off half the potential trades. What did that do to the bottom line?
It completely transformed it. The profit factor jumped from 1.70 to 2.61.
Wow. Okay, that is a massive efficiency jump.
The win rate shot up to nearly 60%. The drawdown was cut almost in half, from $28,000 down to $15,000. And here's the crazy part.
Go.
The net profit actually increased by $23,000.
Wait, hold on. So by trading less, we made more money.
Substantially more.
That's the part that traders, myself included, really struggle with. We always think more activity must equal more edge.
And that's the lesson here. Activity is not edge. The short signals were actively diluting a fantastic long-only system. We had a race car, but we were driving with the parking brake on half the time.
And it saves mental capital, too. You aren't getting chopped up trying to short a raging bull market. You just sit on your hands until the setup aligns with that upward bias.
Exactly. It completely changes your psychology when you know the wind is at your back.
So what's the final build looking like today?
It's currently running in the incubator on those 19-minute bars. MACD is at 12, 26, 9. ADX is 14 with a threshold of 25.
And the golden rule.
Longs enabled, shorts disabled.
Sometimes the best optimization is just knowing what not to trade. Strategy number 4, enhanced, is running now. You can find the link in the description.
Follow the hunt.
Follow the black squirrel. We're ATS.
And we're just getting started.